You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to lock your iPhone to a single app, a feature known as guided access. First, enable it in Settings. Go to Settings, then Accessibility. Tap Guided Access, toggle it on. Tap Passcode Settings to set a passcode that will be used to exit guided access. You can also enable Face ID or Touch ID to end the session. Now open the app you want to lock the phone to, like a game or a presentation. Triple-click the side button or home button on older iPhones. The guided access menu will appear. You can disable areas of the screen by circling them, or disable hardware buttons like the volume buttons and sleep or wake button. Tap Options at the bottom to toggle these settings. Tap Start in the top right. Your iPhone is now locked to that single app. To exit, triple-click the side button again and enter your guided access passcode, or use Face ID or Touch ID if enabled. Tap End in the top left. This is perfect for letting a child use your phone without exiting an app, or for a kiosk-style presentation. You can set a time limit in the options before starting the session. For more simple iPhone accessibility tutorials, subscribe to the channel.